Hello, this is Renee from 22 Social, and this is Facebook group paid membership tip number 19. Yes, already 19 tips. And today we're going to cover ideas for your overall plan. Like how are you planning your membership? And today a little different, especially how you're planning it with other offers you may also have. So we're going to cover how to implement this strategy, which is VIPs interacting in the group itself. So what the heck does that mean? All right, so let me slow down a little bit for you. Let's assume that you have a membership, it has a Facebook group, and you have your perks that you offer, maybe some ongoing training, maybe some lives, maybe some Q&A sessions, maybe a course. But in addition to that membership, you also have a VIP offer. Maybe you have a VIP offering or small group coaching offer where you charge a little more. Maybe it's not $10, $15, $20, $30, but maybe it's a few $100s a month, and you have a lot more. You spend a lot more time with them. You perhaps even give them one-on-one time. So those are, I'm going to call those your VIPs. You have two programs: your membership, that's low cost, and your VIP program, which is higher cost. So membership and VIP. And the idea is to get your VIPs to interact in your membership, in your group membership. So how do you do that? Here's one way to do that. Well, actually, before I do that, I'm going to tell you why you want them doing that. The reason you want them doing that is because you want them to interact with your customers that are not paying you a few $100s a month or a few $1,000s a month, that are only paying you $10, $15, because you want them to get to know each other a little bit, to know. You want the membership clients that aren't ready to spend the big bucks yet to see what's going on in this VIP program that you have, and have a little FOMO if you're missing out, or see, hey, I can see myself there. So that's one reason why. The biggest reasons why you would want to do that is to get your regular clients in your membership, your regular members, to want to go VIP, because they're going to see what's happening with these VIPs. So that's a big deal. So the idea of how to do that. So now, okay, we're there. Now, how do you make that happen? Okay, so here's one thing you could do. You could not have a Facebook group for your VIP program, and that forces them to ask or do any additional interaction in the group. That's one way to do it. But why not orchestrate it? Why not actually ask your VIPs to actually post on your group? And here's how. Maybe you meet with them once a week, right? Assign them homework and say, hey, you know what, this chunk of the homework, here's how I'm going to know you've done it. I want you to post it in the group, or the regular membership group that you have, that I included access to for you as part of the VIP program. So every so often, you assign them homework, you have them post in there, so the members see that, hey, this member's doing this homework and they've accomplished this, and maybe it's a video recording talking about what they're doing, and they see, like, I want that to happen to me. I want to make that kind of progress. So that's what's going to happen. So that's one way to do that, is to orchestrate it and assign homework so that VIPs post in the group, and the other members who aren't VIPs yet see that and want to, right, to get interested in doing that. So that's one tip that's worked with a lot of people. That's definitely going to help you when you're planning to see if this makes sense for you, so that you can have more conversions that more naturally happen into your VIP program or program. So that's today's tip. I'll see you on the next tip. Thank you. Bye.